Introduction. Catch this frisbee, Aryan. I get it. Now it's your turn to grab the frisbee. I will catch it. Do not get hurt yourself. Oh, it's paining. Aryan, see, a layer is formed over the injury and bleeding also stops. How it occurs? Yes, our body has its own mechanism to act on the injuries, and it forms a layer of protein over the damaged area which prevents the loss of blood. Wow, it's quite interesting. Will you tell me more of it? Sure. In this lesson, you will learn about body fluids and circulation in human body. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe blood and its components, explain groups of blood, explain coagulation of blood, know about lymph, describe circulatory pathways, explain cardiac cycle, define cardiac output, define electrocardiograph, briefly explain double circulation, discuss regulation of cardiac activity, discuss disorders of circulatory system. Blood. Blood is an opaque red fluid, freely flowing and has high density and more viscosity than water. It consists of plasma and formed elements. Plasma. Plasma is a liquid portion of the blood, is complex solution containing more than 90% water and about 6 to 8% of proteins. The proteins in plasma are fibrinogen, globulins and albumins. Fibrinogen helps in blood clotting. Globulins are involved in defense system of the body, and albumins are responsible for maintaining water balance in the blood. Without plasma, blood cells cannot travel throughout the body. The clear liquid that separates from blood on clotting is called serum. Formed elements. Formed elements include erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. Erythrocytes. These are also called as red blood cells. These are the most bounteous among all the cells in human body. The function of the red blood cells and hemoglobin is to carry oxygen from the lungs to all the body tissues, and it also transports carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, to the lungs, where it is excreted. Leukocytes. Leukocytes or white blood cells are the cells of immune system that fight against infection and protect our body from infectious diseases and foreign materials. White blood cells are of two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, whereas agranulocytes include lymphocytes and monocytes. Neutrophils and monocytes are phagocytic in nature. Basophils are 12 to 15 microns in diameter and produce heparin, histamine, etc. These are the chemicals which induce inflammation. Eosinophils are formed in the bone marrow. It acts as anti-parasitic and participate in allergic reactions. Lymphocytes are of two types, B and T lymphocytes. They fight with diseases. Platelets. Blood platelets are also called thrombocytes because they secrete thromboplastin. These are smallest blood corpuscle. Blood platelets are non-nucleated, oval, biconvex disc-like bodies. Their number varies from 0.15 to 0.40 million per cubic millimeter of blood. Blood platelets produced from the cytoplasm of large megakaryocyte cells of bone marrow. Blood groups. There are two groups of blood. They are ABO and RH. ABO grouping. On the basis of antigen and antibody, there are four types of ABO grouping, that are A, B, AB and O. From the table we can say that the person with O blood group can donate blood to any other blood group, so the person with O blood group is called universal donor. And the person with AB blood group can receive blood from any other blood group. Hence, the person with AB blood group is called universal recipient.